Hey guys, welcome back. We're continuing our discussion on groups, and let's carry on with the group create node. So in group by edges, what this will do is you give it the min and max angle of the normals between the polygons, well, between the primitives or the points, and it will add that to this group. It only works if this base group is off. So you can see here, oh, okay, I only want everything that's the angle difference between one normal and another normal. If that angle is fitting in this range, then it will add it to the group or subtract it from the group. Add unshared edges, and what this will do is if there's any open holes in your geometry, it will only add those edges. Group by range. Group by range is quite cool. What you can do is you give it a name, points of primitives, and your merge operations again, replace union, intersect, subtract. And what it'll do is, based on these settings, it will add that range of polygons to it. So here I've got to select one of two, so every second polygon, well, primitive, it will add that, and we can offset it if we want. And then what you can do here is you hit this button and you can add additional functions. So for example, if I want to take group range and I add every second one, but then say I don't want the third one of that. That's a cool way of building sort of motion graphicsy kind of groups where you extruding things in layers and all kinds of stuff. It works quite well. So what we're actually going to do now is, instead of using this expression node, we are going to drop down a wrangle and do our groups interactively. So let's do this. So here you can see there is a sphere and a torus on prim and points. So let's make a group called Bob and say, okay, everything that is above the origin, we're going to add you to group Bob, and then we'll delete you. We're going to go if at p.y is greater than 0, let's say add group underscore, which is going to create the group, and then we call it Bob, and then we'll say that is equal to 1. Okay, so what that's going to do, you see there's no group, no Bob here, there's a Bob, we've just added it, and then we blast that, we blast, there's Bob, everything above is deleted. Cool, so that's basically the essence of how you create groups. You just create a 0 to 1 function in Houdini. Right, so that just leaves us room to do whatever we like. So why don't we do this? Why don't we do a random range of 30%, like the other node, and see if we can duplicate it. Okay, so let's go random of ptnum, okay, is less than 0.3, and that is going to add it. Okay, so now 30% of the points of this geometry are deleted. We can say, okay, let's delete 70%, and there we go. It's going to delete 70% of those points. We can do modular ranges, so we want to do every second polygon, we can delete that. So let's go here and let's create an integer value called mod, and we say add ptnum %3, let's just do that, okay, and then we say, okay, let's do if that mod is equal to 0, let's do the range. Okay, so we've got our ranges. So what modular actually does is it creates our integer value here based on this function. So it's taking the point number and it's cycling through 3 points. So 1, 2, 3, and it's giving each one a value, an index. So the first one will be 0, the next one will be 1, the next one will be 2, and then it'll start again. 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. And we're saying every time it is 0, add it to the group Bob. So when it's 0, it's in Bob. When it's 0, it's in Bob. When it's not in Bob. And then here we just delete Bob. And that's that. So you can see that using wrangles, it's very powerful in terms of creating groups and things like that. So that's pretty much groups. If I've missed anything, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, like this video, subscribe to my channel. There'll be a whole bunch more videos coming through. And I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.